First thing we're going to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now the resistor is mounted underneath this cowl piece right here, and we've got one screw right there we're going to remove, one there, one there, and they hide one right down here. So we're going to remove those now. Alright, let's just pop this cover out of here. There we go. We don't even have to take the wipers out of the way. And now you can see the resistor. Right there, behind the washer tank. That's where it is. Alright, we're going to reach behind there and grab it. Okay. See that? Didn't need any tools to remove it. Alright, now we got to push the little red lock out and then push down on this piece. And then our electrical connector will come out. There it is. Jeez, this is an old school type of resistor. So that's all there is to removing a blower motor resistor from your PT Cruiser.